these are the elevators here at Target, Lakewood Center in Lakewood, California. These are Kone. Installed in 2003. It was filmed by other filmers. Like we're gonna have this one. Oh, here's this one. You coming in? Yeah. Don't mind me. These elevators were installed by Kone. I've seen some people on YouTube film these elevators. Yeah, these were Kone installed in 2003.
Second floor, going down.
Right, you have a good one. Oh. Yeah, it's going down?
Yeah. That's amazing.
Yeah. Installed in 5,000 pounds capacity. Your innovation security fixtures. Here's your phone.
First floor. Going up.
Here's your security camera. Oh, and here goes this one.
Going up.
Yep, going up. These got nice motors. Just like the ones at Westminster Mall.
Second floor, going down.
I'm just staying with you right now. I don't play the game with you. You are not allowed in my purse. Clean yourself up.
Get a cab view going down. There's Big Brother. Here's your animation.
First floor.
GAL interlock. There it goes, and that's it.